go. Okay, give me the money.
All the money.
Okay. Okay, that's a 20. This is 100. That's a 20. It's a 50. Okay. It's 10. Okay, this is 20 cents, 20 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents. Okay, and I got $500.
Get your credit card.
$500. Okay, my credit card. Okay. All right. Hi, sir. Close your register. You can't have your money in. Okay, I want to buy this stuff. I also want some coffee.
What?
Oh wait, we have it from mommy. Fix those. Okay. Okay. Here, noodles, please. How much that? $9 plus. Okay, next. No, you don't got it equals. Just we'll wait for the next one. Okay, piece of lettuce. Okay, $1. Or how much? Plus. Okay, so now that, remember that was $9 and that's $1, so 9 plus 1 is 10. So it's $10. Okay, throw it right there. $10. No, you already scanned it. Okay, next. It's the bread. What's for the bread? Okay, so right now I owe $10. Just $6? 6 plus. Okay, $16 I owe so far. Okay, what about this? Tomato? How much tomato? $3 plus. Okay, now I owe $19 so far. Fish? How much? Fish is expensive. $5? Okay, plus. Okay, good. Deodorant? How much? $4 plus. Okay. How much is this one? Crispy cakes? Okay, how much? $8 plus. And ice cream. Okay, this is the last one. The last one, you put it in and you hit. How much? $8 equals. That's the last one. We're done. Okay, 44. Uh-oh. The answer is 44. Okay, so the last one you hit equals. Okay, so I owe you $44. Okay, here.
Now it's my turn.
Wait, let me give you the money first. Okay, so let me give you the money. I don't have $44, but what I have here, I have $50. Okay, so now if I give you 50, you put 50, and I gave you more. So 50. Wait. 44 minus 50 now equals $6. So you owe me $6. That would be my change. If you're going to give me some imaginary change, give me $6 imaginary. Just imaginary. Thank you. Appreciate it. Okay.
Now it's my turn.
Okay, one more and then I got to play my trumpet, okay? Okay?
And then it's my turn.
Yeah, it's your turn. Then one more and then I got to play my trumpet. Okay, you take the money. Maybe you put the money at the bottom of the basket, so when you get all the food out, you can get your money, right? Put your food on top, right? Because the money's last, right? Change that. Okay, more food. Okay, that's all fits. Okay, let's go. Hi, welcome to Albertsons. How can I help you? Close my register. Hi, clear it. Everything's a 0. Okay. What can I get you? What do, bro? Okay. Oh man, those are nice. Those are good.
Corn?
Yeah, corn. That's gonna be $4 plus. Fish, $3 plus. Tomato, $2 plus. Deodorant, $7 plus. ice cream. It's $2.50 plus. This lettuce, $1 plus. Oh man, that's $20. Spaghetti, $39.50 so far. Okay, that's the last one. Okay, that's 50 cents. That's $1. It's $11.50. Okay, equals. Last one's equal. Okay. Okay, you owe me $50.50. $50.50. Okay. And $50.
$50.
No, that's $5. Right. Keep looking. Okay. Oh, you gave me too much. What is that? It's a $10. I only need $50. $50 and 50 cents. Good job. Okay. Perfect. All right. Now, you make sure you put the money in. Correct? I'm gonna put it in the register. Okay. Give me $50. $50.50 minus $50.50 equals $0. Okay. Perfect. We're done. Okay. You paid. Good job. Thank you. Have a nice day.
We're not done yet.
No. Okay.